full of change. That's me in the street with the violin under my chin, laying with a grin, singing gibberish. That's me on the back of the bus. That's me in the cell. That's me inside your head. That's me inside your head. That's me inside your head. You look around, what do you see? I tell you what, I see a girl well belonging to me. Take time to find what you may dream. It's alright, breakfast in the grass. Jumping on what you can see. Well, someone's proud, what we live for today. Those in the past and tomorrow, well, they'll have hell to pay. Someone's proud, what we live for today. Those in the past and tomorrow, well, they'll have hell to pay. And if, like this, going back fast, time for you to sort out, time for you to make it last before you trip and slip, and you will miss this happy little stepping stone just before eternal bliss. But we're one soul, one strong, one proud, what we live for today. Those in the past and tomorrow, well, they'll have hell to pay. We're one soul, one strong, one proud, what we live for today. Those in the past and tomorrow, well, they'll have hell to pay. Your life goes by before you know. You got your time sorted out, but it takes time to get off the road. Enjoy the sights while you are here. There's nothing to fear but fear itself. Who knows when the end is near? Well, one soul, one strong, one proud, what we live for today. Those in the past and tomorrow, well, they'll have hell to pay. Well, one soul, one strong, one proud, what we live for today. Those in the past and tomorrow, well, they'll have hell to pay. Don't make plans with your hands tied. You'll never know. You're missing out repeatedly on the things that help you grow. You've got to own your soul. You've got to take control.